How to fix music stopping when opening Facebook on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve audio interruptions caused by the Facebook app on your Android device. First, go to your home screen and long press on the Facebook app icon. After that, tap on App Info to open the app settings page. From there, tap on Storage to open the storage settings. At this point, tap on Clear Cache to remove any corrupted temporary files that may be causing Facebook to interrupt your music. In the next step, go back to your home screen and save any open work before restarting. Following this, press and hold the power button on the side of your device until the power menu appears. Once done, tap on Restart to reboot your device. Finally, once your phone boots back up, open your music app and start playing a song. Then open Facebook to confirm that the music continues playing without being interrupted. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your music being cut off by Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.